Howdy, this is James in Western Washington. Today I'm working on a Simmons frost-free hydrant. Here you can see a weld on the cast. This did not hold. We're replacing it. Here you see a packing nut. Be sure not to over-tighten this. Underneath are O-rings that keep the water inside of the head. Here's a set screw. This slides up and down with the handle to move the plunger rod so that your valve closes and opens underground. Here I'm taking apart the handle since later in my video you can't see it up close. Pipe wrenches, the bigger the better. I'm going to start by disconnecting my 3/4 inch hose. I will loosen the packing nut and then loosen the set screw. The head is now free from the plunger rod. You'll use your pipe wrenches or whatever technique you'd like to loosen the head without turning the pipe in the ground. This is important. The head assembly is now free from the pipe. Here's the packing nut. It's smoothed, so I will be replacing it with another spare part. Before you discard your old head, pull out the O-rings using a pick tool. Not sure if they're supposed to have two, but mine had two, so I'm going to put them both back in. Saved about $100 by ordering just the cast assembly without all of the hardware. So we will be reusing existing hardware on the new cast head. O-rings go in, packing nut goes in to press them in. Handle is reassembled with the cam and set screw. The whole thing will slide back over the plunger rod. I will proceed to tighten the head onto the pipe, being sure not to turn the pipe underground. Here's the technical part. We're going to set the plunger rod using the set screw. For me, since I was using an existing plunger rod, there's a shiny part of the brass that was underneath the cam. That's where I will place my set screw to begin. If your handle is closed and you still have water, you'll open your handle, loosen your set screw, bring your handle all the way up, tighten the set screw, bring the handle down. We can use the set screw to inch the plunger rod up and down to make fine adjustments so that the hydrant handle closes the valve completely at the bottom and the water is wide open at the top. When you find the sweet spot for the set screw on the plunger rod, tighten that up. Last step, tighten the packing nut until the water no longer comes out past the O-rings at the plunger rod. Once the packing nut is tight enough, there are no more leaks. This hydrant head swap is complete. Let's test it. Float will control the water flow at the tank as the cows drink, so my hydrant handle can stay wide open 24 hours a day. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you out.